All right, so what else we have? We have, I guess it looks like athletic boxer briefs. How many come in here? This looks like one. I do not mind this at all. Maybe maybe I'll wear it, you know? This is definitely a like a sexy time kind of boxer briefs, you know what I mean? They got some socks. Odd socks. I would also give this to my grandma if she were still alive, you know. Yeah. Fucking bunion proof socks. Fucking yeah, you fucking stretch this shit out. You have a mean ass bunion in there. Odd socks. I guess it's in the name, right? And they have 3 packs of silica gel. I don't know what to do with this except to throw it away and not eat it. But that is all, folks. If you liked the video, remember to like, follow, comment. If you thought it was too expensive, I think I got my money's worth out of this one. And looking forward to doing this again next month. I would thoroughly recommend Thread Beast.